How to fix WhatsApp status not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily fix if your WhatsApp status is not showing. First thing first, you need to open up your WhatsApp, and from here you just tap on the updates to find your WhatsApp status. If you don't see your My Status option on WhatsApp, then you just have to follow these simple steps. First thing you need to do is go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now, just tap on Settings. It will take you to your WhatsApp settings. Now here you need to tap on Chats and then Chat Backup. Once you do that, you just back up all of the chats that you need and just wait for it to complete. While this is happening, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so once the backup is complete, what you need to do is go to your phone settings, scroll down until you find your app settings or your app drawer, and here you are just gonna find WhatsApp. So I'm just gonna scroll down until I see my WhatsApp. So here, once you get here, you just need to tap on Force Stop. What this will do is it will completely restrict all of the background activities that's happening right now. Head over to storage and then clear all data. So just tap on it and it will clear all of its data. And once you do that, you just go ahead and open WhatsApp again, and it will ask you to log in once again. So once you log in, you will have an option to back up all of your chats and load all of those backups. So just tap on it, and all of your chats will be back, and your WhatsApp status should be shown right here. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.